Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to generate a signed APK so that you can upload your app to Google Play with no issues. The important part is getting the signed APK itself. So you're going to go to Build on the top of Android Studio and go down to Generate Signed APK and click on that. And you'll see this window here. There's a whole lot of stuff here and you probably don't understand what that means, but I'll walk you through it. You can choose a existing Keystore path if you have one. I'm assuming you don't if you've never done this before, so you can click Create New. The Keystore path is just where this Keystore is going to be located on your computer. By Keystore, it means like a key. Obviously, it's not a physical key, but it's kind of symbolic of that. So we're just going to store this key that we're going to make on my desktop. So I'm just going to select desktop like that, and there we go. I'm going to name it Keystore, for lack of a better word, and click OK. Then for the password on that, I will use a password I normally use, short and sweet. And then my alias, Sartain Studios, because that's my original studio. And then I add a password onto that. You're definitely going to want to remember these passwords. They're very important. Your validity, basically how long your application will be valid with this Keystore. I don't really think it matters what you set it to, so I'm just going to do 100. For certificate, just enter your information. We'll just do Sartain Studios for that one. Obviously, you don't want to use the Sartain Studios, that's my thing. You'd want to use whatever your name is, company or whatever. Probably don't need to put that in there. We'll do that. And country code would be 01 for the US. And click OK. Passwords do not match. I figured that would happen. So there we go. It's now all been filled in. Note we still need the Keystore password and our key alias, so that's stuff you're going to want to remember. Because if you ever want to make changes to your application, you will need to sign it with a signed APK on Google Play, and so you'll need this Keystore, otherwise it won't work and it'll reject it. So then after that, go ahead and click Next, and then you'll find the destination folder. So it looks like it's building to my documents. I don't want it to go there because that'll take too long to find. So I'm just going to send it to my desktop and click OK. Make sure you click Release. Debug is not the right one. Debug is when you're debugging it, like when you're creating the app, and release is for obviously the release, pretty self-explanatory. And click Finish. And Gradle will start building and running that it has been created. It'd be this one. So here's the file that you'd want to upload to Google Play, and here's our Keystore. You don't really need to keep this once it's uploaded, but you can if you want. Definitely need to keep the Keystore though. So let me drag on a Play Store thing. Here we go. So this is where you would upload your APK, and you just click Upload New APK to Production, and click this, and then select your APK, and there you go. Everything should work from there on. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys learned a lot in this tutorial, and good luck on your apps.